Hi, I'm going to show you how you can add infographics to your presentations. So first you want to make sure you have the Engage tab selected. Then you'll want to go ahead and click on the Infographics button. From there, we're going to scroll down and find this donut infographic and click the Insert button. This will drop the infographic right on the slide. What we're going to do is we're going to close this dialog window and we're going to move this infographic to this location where we want this infographic. Then what we'll do is we'll select this infographic and you'll see these two gears appear on the top right. When we click on those, it'll reopen that dialog window. This is what lets us select a different design for the infographic, but also change the value. So in this case, let's change it to 83% and it updates to 83%. And let's go ahead and close this dialog window. So for the second infographic, we're going to add a pictogram over here. So let's go ahead and click on Infographics. And we're going to scroll up and find the pictogram infographic and click the Insert button. So this will drop the infographic again like the previous one right on the slide. Let's go ahead and close this dialog and select the infographic along with the legend. And let's move it up here in this section where we want this infographic. So for this one, what we do is we're going to click on this infographic. The two gears appear on the top right. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Edit Data button. So this will open up an Excel embedded worksheet. And over here, what we can do is we can go ahead and update the values and close this Excel embedded worksheet. And it's going to update to the values that we want. You can also save this Excel embedded worksheet by clicking File and doing a Save As. And once you've saved this file with the changes that you want, you can click on this drop-down triangle here and select Import from Excel. That's the other method you can use to update your data in an infographic. And this is how you add infographics to your presentations. Thank you.